Okay, today is December 15th, 2019. Testing of the app. I've got the latest update from Agile InfoWays. These phones over here are Apple from the latest version from Test Flight. These phones over here are Android. Android version 8, Android version 9, Android version 8, version 8. They're all updated with the most current version of operating system. There are so many things wrong with this app, I don't know where to begin. The two things I really need fixed is the listing of restaurants difference and the customer revive function. So first, let's show the listing of restaurants differences between Apple and Android. So if I'm going to have Agile InfoWays working on this app again, I don't want you to do anything else except for fix the listing of restaurants differences. Because if a waiter is in a restaurant and they can select it, but the customer is in the same restaurant and that restaurant is not listed, by the way, there's a long lag in the listing of restaurants between the Androids compared to the Apple. This is all on my Wi-Fi, 5 gigahertz, 110 megabytes a second. So see the difference? First restaurant here is Simmering Pho. First restaurant here, Super El Granise. Maruzio's Dairy Delight. My Pizza, La Nina. Cecilia Boca, Cecilia Boca. So 1 out of 4 could use this app. Odeum, China Palace. My Pizza, there's My Pizza up there. Sinaloa, not even in this list. Very different listing. Even though this starts off with distance at 0.63, 0.63, 0.61, 0.56, 0.65, it's like they're listing different. Super El Granise is at 0.24 miles away, 0.35. Same listing here. There's a bigger difference since I tasked you guys to fix the difference between Apple and Android than there was before. So that's item number 1. Item number 2 is the customer revive function, which is working on Apple. So this, let's say this waiter, I'm going to do customer on the Apples. The customer table revive. So I see Maruzio's is on all of these. I'm going to do this guy as manager. I'm sorry, select all. And that way these customers can select a table. So table number 1, table number 2, table number 3, continue, continue, continue. Now, the other problem is Apple can send a request to the waiter and they get it, but notice there's no audio. Now, one of the times it did it, the audio did come in about 1, 2, 3 minutes later. But why would it do that when it gets a notification right away? The device received it. Why would there be a lag? But 9 times out of 10, the ping is not coming across. And when it does come across, it's a standard ping, not the uniquely identifiable ping, sonar ping, and voice customer requesting service. This way the waiter can hear this in their pocket and it's discernibly different from a Facebook notification, a message notification, an email notification. It has to have that different audio that I sent you, and it's not even giving any audio. So that's a problem. But back to the table revive. This is customer number 1. If this guy changes table to try to go to number 1 while he's still there, it correctly gives already taken. Okay, so cancel that. Maruzio's, table 1. This guy was table 2. Continue. Send a request. It goes, but no audio. So let's swipe this table number 1 closed. Now change table to number 1. And it works. The notification comes across in the listing, but no audio tone. Okay, so anyway, so the table revive function, which allowed this guy to select a table that the app was closed on, that works. The location API is disabled, dysfunctional, not working, whatever. set to 100 miles or something, but please change that to set it to distance of 1 mile so I can test if Google Location is working with the app. Now, none of this works with the Android. It looks like it only works on Android version 9 because customer here, let's select table 1. First of all, where is Maruzio's? Maruzio's, okay. Table number 1, continue. Oops, table selected by another customer. Good. Oops. Table 14, okay. Send a request. Comes up, but doesn't give the ping. And I've tried this on all the other iPhones too. iPhone is not getting a notification, not giving the notification. So leave table. Okay, done. But now if a Android version 8 is to try to select Maruzio's, it says no waiters. By the way, this is not the no waiter screen I intended. It's up there in the header. At a glance, you look at what's this, scan to download, but it needs to say no waiters instead of small font hidden in the blue area header. But anyway, don't work on that. I only want you guys to see if you can fix this listing difference and if you can get it working on the Android. And I want the table revive function. Do not work on anything else. I just want to see if someone can fix that. To be honest with you, I'm very put off, and I'm probably not going to be working with you guys, but I would like to see if you can fix that.